Hello, my name is Tox. Today I'll be teaching you an easy strawberry shake recipe. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. First, let me show off my blender. For those in need of a good and strong blender, I would recommend this Bosch blender. I got mine from Amazon, so feel free to check Amazon. The blender has a lot of function as shown here, and trust me, the blender works fine. One of the functions I intend to try out is the ice cream function, and I'll be sure to update you all once I do that. So the ingredients for this shake include 2 cups of strawberry, 200 grams of whipping cream, and sweetener. The sweetener is optional. So here I used honey. You can also use sugar, or you can skip the sweetener option. Before now, I washed my strawberry, slice and put it together with the whipping cream in the freezer just to make it cold before blending. Once everything is added, all I did was blend, and the function I used was the smoothie function. To all my strawberry lovers out there and everyone looking for new strawberry recipes, this is strawberry season, this milkshake recipe is a must try. Where you might have been using yogurt or milk for your milkshake recipe before now, I would recommend you try out this whipping cream recipe the next time you want to make strawberry shake. It gives this creamy taste you would love. Will you be giving this recipe a try? Let me know in the comment section. And what strawberry recipe would you love to see on the channel? You can also leave in the comment section your favorite strawberry recipe. For those watching my video for the first time, my name is Tox. On this channel I upload healthy meal recipe, yummy drink, career talk, travel vlogs, and some other lifestyle vlogs. So ensure you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post new video. See you some other time.